Let's download, install, and set up PrusaSlicer, the slicing software that we'll use with the CocoaPress chocolate 3D printer. Start by going to prusa3d.com. That's P-R-U-S-A, the number 3, the letter D.com, and click on Software. Then choose your computer platform, Windows, Mac, or Linux. I have Mac, so I'll click that. Then check in your Downloads folder. You should see an installer has been downloaded. On my Mac, I'm going to double-click to open the installer, and then click on the original Prusa drivers icon and drag it over to Applications. Once I hear the chime, I know that that's done. Now we'll click on Applications, scroll down to Original Prusa Drivers, and then double-click on PrusaSlicer and click Open. The first time we use PrusaSlicer, we need to set up configurations, so we'll do that now. Click Next. I'll uncheck any of these traditional 3D printers that are checked. We don't want any of those. And click Next, Next, and under Other Vendors, we'll choose CocoaPress and click Next. And we have both size nozzles, so we'll select 0.8 and 1.6 and choose Next. Next. Here we'll choose 0.8 and 1.6 by holding down the Shift key and choose Chocolate, CocoaPress, and CocoaPress Chocolates. And Next, 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 Next. We'll start in Advanced mode and click Finish. We can click the X's to close these messages at the bottom. And over on the right-hand side, where it says CocoaPress 0.8 millimeter nozzle, you can see that the 1.6 millimeter nozzle is also there. So we have those two options. The slicer is now set up and ready to import a model to slice and then print.